In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the invoice template in Odoo, all in just 5 minutes. If you're ready to customize your Odoo experience and give your invoices a personal touch, then let's get started. First things first, you'll want to head over to the official Odoo website. You can find this by simply typing Odoo in your search engine and clicking on the link to their open source ERP and CRM solutions. Once there, the next step is to sign in. You'll find the Sign In button on the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your account. If you haven't logged in before, make sure you have your username and password ready to easily get through this step. After logging in, you should find yourself on the Odoo dashboard. Take a moment to look around if this is your first time here. The dashboard is your gateway to all the modules that Odoo offers. For today's task, we'll want to head over to the Accounting module. You'll find it among the various options on your dashboard, so go ahead and click on Accounting. Once you're in the Accounting section, direct your attention to the Customers tab. This is where you manage all customer-related transactions. Clicking on Customers will open up a submenu. Here, you'll want to select Invoices. By choosing Invoices, you'll find a list of all the invoices that have been generated within your Odoo system. Now, with your list of invoices open, look for the Actions button. It's typically located towards the top of the list, providing various options for managing your invoices. Clicking on Actions will present you with different functions you can perform. Among these options, you'll want to click on Print to start customizing your invoice template. Choosing the Print option initiates the process of changing your invoice design. You're free to explore the various templates Odoo provides. Each template has a different design, allowing you to select one that best fits your brand and business needs. This ability to customize ensures that every invoice aligns with the professional image you wish to project. Remember, changing an invoice template is not just about aesthetics. It's about how clearly information is presented to your clients. Take the time to ensure that the template you select provides essential details in a streamlined and accessible manner. And there you have it. With a few simple clicks, you've successfully changed your invoice template in Odoo. Whether you're doing this to refresh your business's look or simply to improve the legibility of your invoices, Odoo gives you the tools to make it happen. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has empowered you to make the most out of your Odoo experience. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and informative guides.